The terrorists who killed 26 tourists in Pahalgam on the 22nd of April belong to an offshoot of Hafiz Saeed's Lashkar-e-Taiba. So when India decided to avenge the attack, one of the sites the forces struck was Murid Ke. But what's the significance? Located about 40 kilometers from Lahore, Murid Ke is home to the headquarters of the Lashkar-e-Taiba. Called the Markaz-e-Taiba, the LET headquarter operates under the facade of a charitable organization called the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. The Markaz complex is the nerve center of the LET and operates as its ideological, logistical and operational base. Hundreds of volunteers recruited from Pakistan and Kashmir are brought here for training and planning terrorist operations. It is known as the Terror Nursery of Pakistan. Bahawalpur in Pakistan's Punjab is the 12th largest city in the country, and more importantly, it is the base of the terror group Jaish-e-Mohammed, whose chief Masood Azhar is the mastermind behind the 26/11 terror attacks in Mumbai in 2008. The headquarters of JEM are in a complex called the Jamia Masjid Subhanallah. It is spread over 18 acres and serves as the terror group's hub for recruitment, fundraising and indoctrination. Masood Azhar is believed to be living in this heavily guarded complex, and that is why India targeted it. Make no mistake, the terror hubs targeted in Operation Sindoor were handpicked. India struck bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, from where terrorist attacks were being planned and directed. A total of 9 sites were hit. The exact coordinates of the terrorist targets were provided by intelligence agencies. Indian forces chose these locations with the intent of targeting the top leadership of the Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. All 3 branches of the Indian Armed Forces, that is the Army, Navy and the Air Force, were involved in the precision strike, which is the first such operation since the 1971 war. Special precision munitions were used to target the terror camps in Pakistan and POK. According to reports, Rafale jets were armed with Scalp cruise missiles and Hammer precision-guided munitions. Each of the 9 sites selected for Operation Sindoor had a history of association with major terror plots and infiltration attempts directed at India. No Pakistani military facilities were hit, reflecting India's calibrated and non-escalatory approach. That India was going to retaliate over the Pahalgam attack was hardly a secret. But Operation Sindoor has put the emphasis purely on eliminating terror. India has told Pakistan not to escalate, but if they do, the overnight strikes could very well be only phase 1 of India's response to the Pahalgam attack.